Gentlemen, my brothers, welcome to day 17 of the Remarkable Man 30-Day Challenge. Today, it is about why the lone wolf must die. Yeah, this one's for you if you feel that you are all by yourself and you must take on the world solo, doing the lone wolf journey. Gentlemen, this video is so important. You want to stay right to the end because, man, we're dropping bombs today. We truly are. And you're going to recognize that, man, maybe, just maybe, the trajectory that you're on needs support. You've got to dig in to a brotherhood. The lone wolf within must die. Before we go into it, gentlemen, you know the drill. I am the best. No one is better than me. I am everyone's first priority. I am a champion. I am a hero. I am a brother. I am a remarkable man, and I am living a remarkable life. Brothers, it is so important that you're putting the energy out. Claim it for yourself because it is sending out shock waves of your vibrational frequency. Everything is in a mirror. Everything is you pushed out. So the more you claim it, the more it becomes your reality. And let's face it, you do a lot of stinking thinking. You do a lot of self-deprecation. So this is important that you are putting the affirmation, the incantation out there that you're claiming the remarkable man within. Now, if you're brand new to the channel, brand new to the 30-day challenge, we're on day 17. And what I'm doing is a video every single day for 30 days. They're unscripted. They are unedited. I'm just downloading whatever source is meant to give me to give to you. It's that important. I wanted to have a powerful conversation with you for 30 days to help you go from where you are to being the remarkable man you know is within, because he's in there. And you know that you've got an identity that perhaps you've been playing way too small. And it doesn't matter how successful you are, there's a remarkable man within that needs to be reignited. And given that hope, the juice, the possibility that you can get your mojo fired up again, that's what this is all about. And this is why I'm so fired up. But let's get into why the lone wolf must die. Now, a lot of men, myself included, we grew up believing that the lone wolf was this majestic animal, this beast, this incredible animal that has, the prowess to be able to go at it alone and eke out, whatever it needs to do for survival. And we bring it on as men that this is who we are. Yeah, that's right. That's right. I'm a lone wolf. That's right. And we think that this lone wolf within is character building or it's something to be proud of. But let me give you a truth about the lone wolf in nature, out there in the wild. The lone wolf isn't this charismatic, mysterious animal doing its own thing. The lone wolf only happens when the pack kicks it out. That's right. The pack is how the wolves survive. Without the pack, they can't bring down the bigger animals. They have to forage for the little ones. They have to scurry around to get the little squirrels and the rodents and whatnot. The pack has a mastermind. A pack has the capability to be strategic. Once that lone wolf is kicked out, they're never welcome back into the pack again. In fact, they're enemy number one. If the pack finds the lone wolf that has been kicked out, they will kill it. And a lot of wolves that are the lone wolf, they don't survive the next year out there in the wilderness. They don't. and they will be kicked out, and they will shadow the pack for scraps. And the pack kind of knows that the lone wolf is out there. They can smell it. They can sense it. It's out there. And they're kind of looking like, hey, man, hey, Frank, the one we kicked out, 8 months ago, I think he's just over the ridge. They're going, yeah, I can feel it. I feel it. Now, Frank, the lone wolf, is hoping for scraps and perhaps even hoping to get back into the pack. Maybe there will be a female that will mate with it. But chances are, if the pack ever finds out that they're trying to be an interloper, they will attack. So, brothers, it's time for you to unpack this idea, this notion that being the lone wolf is somehow sexy, somehow being stoic, and being this energy that you're going to figure your shit out all by yourself. Now, I'm doing this video because of a conversation I had with my top tier Champions Club client. Last week, he bailed on a session because he was going deep into his stuff, into his bullshit. And he felt that he had to do this by himself. He could not process it with me in our session last week. Well, this week, yesterday, I called him on it. And he recognized that, oh shit, he reverted back to an old behavior, that his ego took over and said, I have to just turtle. I have to go within. I have to let go or put blinders on to any sort of support that's out there for me. And I recognized that my client is mirroring something within me as well. See, I've been doing this work, men's work, coaching, and couples, and being remarkable. It's been my brand for 15 years. And I recognize that I too can get caught up in the lone wolf energy. I have an amazing support group. I have an amazing coach. I have mentors. I have amazing brothers that truly have my back. But I'm telling you, brothers, it is tough to get out of the ego mindset that you are all alone. It's something deep within our DNA. Every man feels it every once in a while, regardless of how much support is out there. And I realize that I am not integral with my own words sometimes. And I will turtle. I will go within. I will just ruminate on the bullshit stories and the lies that I'm telling myself instead of expressing them with my brothers to get feedback, or for men to just stand in the fire of my stuff. And that's essentially what I told my client. I said, you don't have to worry about being in the company of a brother and trying to fix something. Sometimes all you need is to stand in the, oh, fuck energy and have a brother holding space for you. That is so important. And there's another piece to this too. There are aspects of your energy as a man that should never be shared with your wife, your girlfriend, your beloved, because there's an energy that she is there for, and then there's an energy that your brothers are there for. Men, I'm telling you, when it comes to the deep inner, the rage or the hurt, the pain, that's actually for your brothers. Now, a lot of men think that, hey, wait a minute, it's my wife. I should be able to share anything and everything with her. That's true. But be mindful of the deep, dark energy. That energy can scare the people that matter most to you. Because if you go down that path and share it with her, she definitely wants your heart wide open. But with that, she also wants to be able to help and fix you and cuddle and nurture you through that and perhaps give you some insight or some advice. But the darkness, that's for your brothers. That's where you can really get real, raw, and authentic with your brothers. And this is why it's so important that you let go of the lone wolf. The lone wolf within must die in order for you to truly excel in your life. You want to be a remarkable man? You want to go from where you are to where it is you believe the remarkable man is? Remember, on previous videos, we're talking about a vibrational frequency. Who are you being? And it's so important right now that men are connecting with community, with their tribe, with their brothers, with their pack, and letting go of doing it all by yourself. Because you know this about yourself, that very little growth happens when you do it by yourself. You get to a place of homeostasis, no question about it. And you might be able to process and, okay, I feel better now. But you never accelerate past that. And it's why your pack, your brothers, hold you accountable for a higher way of being. It's what I do as a coach. I hold my clients to a higher possibility. And you can't get that when you're doing the lone wolf bullshit story. You can't. So take a page out of the wild and know that the lone wolf dies out there by itself. There's nothing sexy about it. And apply that into your world. When you do the lone wolf thing, there's nothing sexy about it. Get connected with a tribe. Get connected with a coach. Get connected with a community. And watch how the energy changes. All right, my friends, that's what I got for you today. If this was of value to you, please like, share, comment on it. I would love to hear your thoughts and feedback. And if you truly want to get into an amazing tribe of committed, remarkable men, click the link below and join the Remarkable Man Project School community. There, you're going to be able to connect with an amazing group of international, like-minded men that truly are leveling up and they have your back. And I'm there every single day adding tools, resources, and insights to help you go from where you are to the remarkable man within. And if you want to explore your coaching options, you want to work together, click the link below and book your breakthrough discovery call. Let's have a powerful conversation about where you want a breakthrough. And we can explore if we're a fit to work together. Just click the link below. My brothers, you know that at no other time in history does the world need remarkable men. My question to you is, will you be one of them? Gentlemen, enjoy the rest of your day. And remember, you're not alone on the journey. At the Remarkable Man Project, we've got your back. Talk to you soon. We'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.